What's up guys, a huge new update is finally available and it includes lots of amazing new features. The first one I want to tell you about is the ability to sync your API keys on the server, which allows you to sync and upload your API keys to our remote server and retrieve them on new devices. This means you don't have to add all of your exchange keys manually anymore when you use a different device or browser. And what you want to do is go to the settings. And you can see here I have one account connected. What I want to do now is go to sync and enable this setting. Now I can send a verification email to verify my device. And make sure to always open this email link in the device and browser you want to verify, which I do here right now. Now, when I go to the accounts tab, you will see that I already have some accounts that have been synced, but I also want to sync my account that I have here on this device, which I do like this. And now it will be uploaded to the server and I can retrieve it from another device. So when you are on your new device or browser, you basically just repeat the same steps. Go to accounts, sync API keys, send the verification email, and make sure to open the link in the right browser on the right device. Now the device is verified successfully. And you will be able to see all the accounts that I previously had already and the new account that I just synced. And now you can press retrieve. And it will sync all the keys to your new device. As you can see, they're all here now and you can use them as you like. Next up, we have basket trading via the new complex orders component. This one allows you to create, save, and share asset baskets and also works with multiple accounts at once. Let me demonstrate. Let's say you want to long Bitcoin and hype while shorting a bunch of other coins. You go to create, add an account, select the coins you want to long and short, and you can split the weighting evenly or choose it individually. Input the size that you want to use and choose between different types of orders to execute. If you want to exit all of your positions at once, you can do so with the reduce toggle and hitting the reverse button. You can also use multiple accounts with this tool. If you want to split your orders across exchanges, for example, you can do it like I do here, long Bitcoin on Binance and short ETH on Bybit. Split it evenly and execute both at the same time. What you can also do is use other publicly shared baskets that other people have created. And here you just add your accounts to the positions that they have enabled. And then you can execute the orders that other people have shared in their baskets and also create your own baskets to share with other people. There are also some new TWAP features I would quickly go over since they can't really be shown on video that easily. The first one is TWAP Price bounds. Define upper and lower price bounds for the TWAP and its reaction. When the limits are hit, You can choose whether you want your TWAP to pause until it returns to the bound, end and abort the TWAP, execute all remaining orders immediately, or close, which will stop the TWAP at that price and act as a stop loss or take profit for your position. The second new TWAP feature is the chase functionality. You are now able to use TWAP with limit chase instead of market orders. Additional toggles here include the choice to either market order or add to the next chase order if the chase isn't filled in a certain time. And you also have these options if the chase fails for some reason. The next feature is called Smart Hedging, which allows for easily hedging trades right from the order form. It shows you all similar contracts with a certain amount of volume and allows to simply select one to hedge your current position with. Let's say I want to long Bitcoin and short ETH. It will automatically open an equal ETH short to my Bitcoin long position. You are now also able to select your favorite timeframes on the chart and have them easily available in a quick select menu, as you can see here. Another new feature is if you, for example, look at the hyperliquid spot Bitcoin chart and select the daily time frame, you will see that it looks a bit weird. What we can do now is ignore the initial bars, and you can select how many you want to ignore and adjust it to your liking so it looks a bit cleaner. And the last thing for today is a nice small quality of life update. When placing a reduce order, you will now see your projected P&L in the order form.